Deep pink. Let's draw a zebra. Start with drawing the zebra's head and muzzle. Good start. Now draw a smile. Then draw stripes on its head. Excellent! Now draw a pointy ear for your zebra. And another one. Brilliant! Then draw a neck with a long mane. Pretty good! And now draw the zebra's body, a large oval. And decorate it with stripes. Wonderful! Let's draw 2 legs. And 2 more. Perfect! And finally, draw a cute tail with a switch. You've drawn such a lovely zebra.